Hello students and welcome to Science Study Center, and in today's video we will complete the first part of chapter 16, garbage in garbage out, and this is for class 6 science NCRT. So let's start. Yes, garbage in and garbage out. Now today we will complete the first page. We throw out so much rubbish or garbage every day from our homes, schools, shops, and offices. The grains, pulses, biscuits, milk, or oil purchased in shops are packed in plastic bags or tins. Now, students, you might have noticed that whenever you bring or you buy something from your shop, then you might have seen that it would be in a polythene bag like this. Okay, so this is nothing but this is an garbage. Now all these wrapping materials go out as garbage. Okay, we sometimes buy things that are rarely used and often throw them into the garbage. Like sometimes we buy the things which we will never use, and then after some time, after the expiry date, they are just thrown in the garbage. So this was the first paragraph. Now we generate so much of garbage in our day-to-day activities. Okay, we often throw groundnut shells on public areas. Yeah, now students, you might have seen that you eat something and just throw it on the roads, on the public areas. You just do not throw it in the garbage tanks. Okay, but that is wrong. We should always throw the garbage in dustbin only. Okay, now in buses or trains after eating the nuts. Now, while you are eating the ground nut, what happens is that after eating the nuts, the leftover part you just throw in the public areas, which is polluting the environment. Okay, now a child might go on sharpening the pencil just for fun. Like you might have done that, you just keep sharpening the pencil and the leftover waste you just throw it. So that is not good. That is just a wastage. So don't do that. Now, if we make mistakes or spill ink on a notebook, we tear off the sheet and throw it away. And we also throw away many domestic waste such as broken toys, old clothes, shoes, and slippers. So this was the second paragraph. So we all throw many things on our day-to-day lives in as a garbage. Okay, now the next. What if garbage is not removed? Now, have you ever thought that, like, if you have thrown the garbage over here, the next day also you have thrown over here, at some point of time, what is going to happen? There would be a lot of pollution over there. Okay, but what we don't think this, but we just throw the garbages and we pollute the environment. Okay, now how do you think this will harm us when Safai Karamchari take the garbage from the bins? Where does the garbage go and what happens to it? Okay, now when the bhaiya just takes the garbage from the dustbins and bins, where do it goes? Would be any place where it would decomposed or would be thrown. Okay, so we will learn it about it in the further chapter. Is it possible for all of this garbage to change into something that will not harm us? No, this is not possible. Okay, as plastics is the main thing. Plastics are made up of different kind of chemicals and they do not degrade, they do not decompose into the soil or environment for 1,000 years also. So can you think how this plastic is just harming us? Okay, now we will look for answers to these questions in this chapter. Okay, now this was the paragraph. Yeah, now there is a thing that this is a diagram. The Bujo and Paheli are taking the garbage. Now, children from Paheli and Bujo school did a project dealing with garbage. We will learn about some of the things they learned about this project. Okay, now this is the last paragraph. Safai Karamchari collect the garbage in trucks and take it in low-lying open areas called landfills. So over here, can you see this? This part. Over here, the garbage is taken. Okay. Now, and this area is known as landfill. Okay, so this area is known as landfill. This one. Okay, now there the part of garbage that can be reused is separated out from the one that cannot be used, such as. Now we will complete the next things in the further coming videos. Okay, so let me just tell you what are the things out of garbage which we can reuse. Now students, there are very many metallic or iron made things like clips or iron nails. Okay, so how they are separated is that there is a magnet. You know na that from magnet iron attracts to the magnet. So what happens is a electromagnet and magnet which is made up through electricity and high voltage magnet is used for it. It is just blown off from the dust and the garbage, and what happens is over there all the iron made things okay, they are attracted to the magnet and they come and stick on the magnet. Okay, so this is the thing. This is how iron is separated from the garbage. So this was today's video. If you like, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.